Are you tired of hearing about the same old electric car companies over and over again? Well, in this video, we're going to introduce you to 6 electric car companies that you've probably never heard of. From rugged SUVs to luxurious sedans, these companies are making waves in the industry with their innovative designs and cutting-edge technologies. So buckle up and get ready to discover some exciting new players in the electric car game. Let's jump in. Bollinger Motors. First on our list is Bollinger Motors. This company is based in Michigan and specializes in making rugged, all-electric SUVs and pickups. Their vehicles are designed to be both functional and stylish, and they boast impressive off-road capabilities. Bollinger's B1 SUV and B2 pickup have received a lot of attention in recent years, and the company has plans to begin production soon. Lucid Motors. Next up is Lucid Motors. This company is based in California and has been making waves in the electric car industry with its sleek and luxurious electric sedan. The Lucid Air boasts impressive performance and a range of up to 517 miles on a single charge, making it a serious contender in the electric car market. Lucid is also working on a luxury SUV, the Lucid Gravity, which is expected to debut in 2023. Fisker Inc. Fisker Inc. is another California-based electric car company that has been making headlines with its innovative designs. The company's flagship vehicle, the Fisker Ocean, is a stylish and eco-friendly SUV that features a unique solar roof that can add up to 1,000 miles of range per year. Fisker has also announced plans for a high-performance electric sedan called the Fisker Emotion, which is expected to debut in 2023. Rivian. Rivian is a relatively new electric car company that is based in Michigan. The company has been making waves with its upcoming electric SUV and pickup, the R1S and R1T, respectively. Both vehicles boast impressive performance and range, and they are designed to be rugged and capable off-road. Rivian has already received several high-profile investments, including from Amazon and Ford, and the company is expected to begin production soon. Byton. Byton is a Chinese electric car company that is focused on creating high-tech and innovative vehicles. The company's flagship vehicle, the M-Byte, is an all-electric SUV that features a massive 48-inch display screen in the dashboard. Byton has also announced plans for a luxury sedan called the K-Byte, which will feature similar high-tech features. Byton's vehicles are not currently available in the United States, but the company has plans to expand globally in the coming years. NIO. Last but not least is NIO, another Chinese electric car company that has been making waves in the industry. The company's flagship vehicle, the ES8, is a stylish and high-performing electric SUV that features advanced driver assistance systems and other cutting-edge technologies. NIO has also announced plans for a luxury sedan, the ET7. The company has been expanding rapidly in recent years, and it currently has over 200 retail locations in China. So there you have it, 6 electric car companies that you may not have heard of before. From rugged SUVs to high-tech luxury sedans, these companies are pushing the boundaries of what electric cars can do. As the electric car industry continues to grow and evolve, it will be exciting to see what new innovations and designs.